As the top teams in the Jamaica Premier League continue to jostle for top 6 positions, my Maverick attention turns to the much talked about, at one point, the highly touted Veer United. After, of course, the big takeover and talk fest about winning the league and blah, blah, blah. Well, Veer United are in 10th position, which is closer to the relegation zone than the top of the table. The highly touted youngsters coming over from schoolboy football, who was supposed to fire up the Veer title challenge. That is not happening. Craig Butler and Veer are learning the hard way that jumping into schoolboy football and dominating and winning titles is a baby transition compared to what it takes to dominate and win the Premier League title. And we don't want Butler and Lenny Hyde and Veer United to give up on the dream. But if ever there was a reality check, this right here is one for Veer.